Hello students, welcome to online classes. In today's class we are going to learn about the importance or advantages of marketing. Marketing has become very significant aspect in the business organizations, and the reason is the financial success of the organizations or firms is largely depends on the marketing activities performed by the marketers, because marketers enables the customers to know what marketers are offering to them, and at the same time it enables the marketers to convince their customers to buy their offerings or to buy their goods and services. And the successful marketing strategies of any organizations is not only to understand the customers and his needs, but also in the following ways. So the advantages or the benefits of marketing includes: first one, marketing promotes awareness among the public. Marketing helps in boosting sales. It helps in customer satisfaction, helps in fostering healthy competition in the market. Marketing builds good corporate image in the market about the organization. It develops competitive advantage. Marketing helps in expansion of business. The next benefit of marketing is it develops brand loyalty, achieves organizational objectives, optimum utilization of resources, improves the efficiency of the organization, improvement in the standard of living of the customers, and generation of employment opportunities. So all these are the few advantages or benefits of marketing which we are going to learn in today's class. So let's begin with the first one, that is promotes awareness among the public. Marketing promotes awareness among the public regarding the various products or the services and goods available in the market, because there will be n number of goods and services available in the market, and marketing enables the customers to become aware about those products, because a firm's product must be known to the potential buyers for it to succeed. Unless and until potential buyers aware about the company's products or firm's products, they will not take the decision of buying those products. And that is the reason the marketers has to be very careful in making the awareness about the products. Suppose if there were no marketing or advertising activities, in such cases customers would not know about the products, and as a result customers would not buy any products or any services. And that is the reason it is one of the advantages of marketing is that marketing promotes awareness among the publics regarding the goods and services, and this is not only going to help to the customers but also to the organizations. The next advantages is, or the next benefit of marketing is, it helps in boosting sales. Once the customers become aware about the company's products or services, it boosts up the chances that customers will make a purchase, because unless and until the customers are aware about the goods and services, they will not take a decision of buying the products or purchasing the products or services. And the new customers also start to spread the word or word of mouth, or they start spreading about the information regarding the goods and services to their friends and the families, and consequently companies sales start to increase rapidly. The more the people see and hear about a new product in the TV advertisements, commercials, newspaper advertisements, or on social media, the more inclined they will be to buy the products. And in this way, marketing boosts the sales. That is, with the help of advertisement strategies, marketers can boost the sales of the company, or with the help of making the awareness about the products in the form of various advertisement strategies or promotional activities, marketers helps the organization in boosting the sales. The next advantage of marketing is customers satisfaction. Marketing leads to satisfaction of human wants by maintaining a steady supply of goods and services to the customers, because the ultimate objectives of marketing is what? Meeting the needs successfully. That is, we need to give more importance for satisfying the customers' needs. Now, what is customer satisfaction? Customer satisfaction is the outcome of a correlation between product performance and the customer's expectations. Suppose when product performance matches with the customer's expectations, then customers will be satisfied. And if the customers will be satisfied, we can say that company has achieved the target of customer satisfaction. And when product performance below the customer's expectations, then the customers will be dissatisfied. And if the product performance exceeds the customer's expectations, in such cases customers will be delighted, or they will be extremely satisfied. So customer satisfaction is the outcome of what? Product performance and the customer's expectations correlation. And every organizations give more importance, or they give only importance for satisfying the customers, because when the customers is satisfied, there will be more sale of their goods and services, and that is the reason they give more importance for customer satisfaction. Or we can say one of the important advantages of marketing is what? Customers satisfaction. The next advantage or benefits of marketing is marketing helps in fostering healthy competition. Marketing promotes a climate of healthy competition in the marketplace. That is, it helps to position the company as being superior to its rivals, so that customers will prefer its products rather than buying from the other firms and that sell similar products and services. There are n number of marketing strategies, and with the help of these marketing strategies, company position their product which can be superior to its rivals, so that customers will prefer to purchase your products rather than the products which are offered by the other firms. And in this way, marketing promotes a climate of healthy competition in the marketplace. The next benefit of marketing is it builds good corporate image. Marketing helps a firm to develop and enhance its corporate image, and this is possible, or this developing the good corporate image is possible with the help of effective marketing. That is, a firm can achieve higher performance, such as increase in sales, increase in profit, and increase in market share. And this is possible with the help of effective marketing, and this will lead to enhance the corporate image. Therefore, corporate image improves in the minds of the customers, dealers, employees, shareholders, and the stakeholders of the company. Once companies succeed in achieving the higher performance, which includes higher sales, increase in profits, and increase in market share, so these achievements will create a good image in the minds of customers, in the minds of dealers, in the minds of shareholders, and other stakeholders of the company. And in this way, marketing helps in building or helps in creating good corporate image of the organization. The next advantage of the marketing is competitive advantage. That is, it builds the competitive advantage. The effective marketing helps to face competition in the market. The professional marketers are proactive in decision making, and thus they come up with various decisions which includes innovative designs or models, creative promotion schemes, effective customer relationship technique, etc. And all these decisions will make a firm competitive. So that is the reason we can say that marketing helps in developing competitive advantage. The next benefit of marketing or the advantage of marketing is expansion of business. That is, with the help of marketing, business organization can expand their business from local to national, national to international market. That is, if there is a effective marketing strategies used by the organizations, then those effective marketing improves the performance of the firm, and which can facilitates the expansion of the firm from local to national, national to international market. Okay, and for business expansion, the firm may undertake various activities such as, say, marketing penetration, market development, and product development. So all these activities firm may undertake for the expansion of the business organization. The next advantage of marketing is it develops brand loyalty. The effective marketing enables the firms to develop brand loyalty. Now the question is, what is brand loyalty? Brand loyalty refers to repeat purchases by the satisfied or delighted customers. Suppose if any customer is buying or repeatedly buying the goods and services, in such cases we can see that you have achieved the brand loyalty from that customers. Recommendations by the existing customers to friends, neighbors, and others is also one of the example of the brand loyalty. So the brand loyalty is nothing but repeat purchases by the satisfied or delighted customers is called as brand loyalty, and this is possible with the help of effective marketing. The next benefit of marketing is marketing helps in achieving organizational objectives. We know that every organizations will have the multiple objectives, which includes increase in profits, increase in market shares, increase in sales, developed brand equity, enhanced brand loyalty, improved brand image, and improved corporate image of the organization. So all these are the some aims or the goals of the every organizations, and marketing helps the firm to achieve these organizational goals with the help of various marketing strategies, various promotional activities, or the strategies they can achieve these objectives or these goals. The next advantage of marketing is marketing helps in optimum utilization of resources. Now see here, due to the proper marketing, the firm can get higher demand for their goods and services. And increase in demands leads to what? Higher production and higher distribution. And hence to reduce the cost of production. Now like the firm has shifted their production from production to higher production and higher distribution, and to reduce the cost of production, the company can make the optimum use of the following resources, which includes capital resources, managerial resources, and physical resources. So all these are the few important resources the organization may have, and with the help of marketing, the organization will make sure that they will utilize the all these resources in a at optimum level, because the capital resources which will be very limited, the managerial resources, that is employees, and which may be a managerial level or at a non-managerial employees, so they have to be make sure that they will utilize those resources in a proper way, because if you are going for a large scale production, obviously there will be a less cost of production, because large scale production leads to economies of scale, and economies of scale is nothing but the advantage of the or the benefits what the organizations are getting with the help of large scale production in the form of reduction in the cost of production, reduction in the marketing activities cost, or reduction in the managerial cost. So in this way, marketing enables the organizations to make sure that they will utilize the resources in a proper way, or they can marketing helps the organization in optimum utilization of resources. The next benefit of the marketing is it improves the efficiency of the organizations. Marketing brings higher profit, and the part of profit is spent on various activities which can lead to improve the efficiency of the organization. And those activities include, suppose if the profit is spent on the research and development, in such cases there will be new innovation, there will be new invention of the products and services. And if there is no new innovation in the goods and services, which leads to increase in sales. The next one, if they are spending on research, technology and technology upgradation, which leads to mass production. Then training and development of employees helps in achieving the efficiency of organization, because if the employees are efficient, then obviously it will help in achieving the organization objectives. So if any organization is spending their profit on these activities, then it will help them to improve the efficiency of the organization. So the marketing will help to earn the more profit, and that profit will be spent on these activities, and all these activities improves the efficiency of the organization. The next advantage of marketing is improvement in the standard of living of the people. Now, how the standard of living of the customer or people will improve? If they purchase the quality goods and services, and quality goods and services will be provided by the effective marketing. That is, marketing is the means through which production and purchasing power are converted into what? Consumption. And marketing process brings new variety of useful and quality goods to the customers. The better marketing gives room for mass production, and under mass production, cost of the product will be low, and hence price of the article or the goods and services will be available at low price. And since the price is low, people can buy more goods for their money, and this will result in higher standard of living. So in this way, marketing helps in improvement in the standard of living of the people. And the last benefit of the marketing is generation of employment opportunities. The another contribution, important contribution which marketing makes is that it helps in sustaining and improvement in employment opportunities. There are n number of marketing activities has to be performed in the marketing, and these marketing activities creates a large number of employment opportunities. There are large number of employment opportunities are generated due to the various marketing activities, and these marketing activities includes advertising, personal selling, packaging, distribution. So all these activities creates a large number of employment opportunities. So few important jobs will be like sales managers, or the marketing representative, or the chief. Now the higher job opportunity in the marketing field is chief marketing officers. So all these are the few job opportunities which can created by the marketing activities, or which can be created by the marketing. So generation of employment opportunities can be considered one of the important advantages of the marketing. So all these are the few advantages or benefits of marketing which we have discussed in today's class. In the next class, we are going to study the functions of the marketing, or what are the functions marketers perform. Those functions we are going to discuss in the next class. Okay, thank you.